Here I have ULEFONE Power Armor 18 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly you'll need to find SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So basically you can open it like this, just with your fingernails, without any special tool. So here you have SD card slot, and here you have SIM card slot. So easily you can take it out and then put it back in like this. And as you can see, it immediately shows me notification that SD card detected. Tap to setup. And to prove you that SIM card is also detected, let's disable airplane mode and go to SIM cards and mobile. And as you can see, now I have SIM slot play 1 active. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.